Hey guys, I'm here to talk about my new pink Fujifilm Insta-X Mini 9 instant camera. This is so cute. I'm super excited to use it. It came with a variety of different items, such as that little pink case that I can put my camera in. So cute. Pink's my favorite color if you haven't noticed. It also came with some instructions, a couple manuals, different things like that, which I don't really read that often. It came with a cute little photo album, also pink. It also came with this cute little pink polka dot wristlet that attaches directly to the camera. It also came with this additional zoom in camera lens that attaches to the lens. And it even came with 2 AA batteries, which is dope because most products do not come with batteries included. And it even came with 50 different Insta-X Mini instant film sheets. And these are the sheets that print your photos directly from the camera. It came with 2 sets of 20 and 1 set of 10. And I love these particular sheets because they are Polaroid type style sheets that make your photos look so vintage and pretty cool. And that's everything that came in a bundle. Next, you'll put the 2 AA batteries inside the camera for its power source. And then you will take the film and put the film inside the camera. Next, I attached my little cute pink polka dot wristlet to the camera so I won't drop the camera and it makes for easier use. Yay, now you're finally ready to take some cute photos. I took this one of my little pet stuffed animal Max, and you can even write on these sheets, which is pretty dope. And you can put the sheets inside the photo album that it came with. And that is all, folks. Definitely get your pink Polaroid type style camera today for cheap.